Okay.
There are people that have been without light for more than 2 years because of lack of transformer. So we look at it and it's we're pushing that effect to bring in, because light is everything. If there is no light here, we won't stay here. So we believe it's one of the major priority for our people. And get this spread as in 500 kV, to accommodate only God knows 20,000 people. It's only thing that directly touched the commandment. So that is the reason we decided to get it transformed.
Okay, in order to that, sir, you are expecting to do in the next budget that just coming?
We did scholarship for over 1,000 students for higher education at Castle, ABU, BUK. About 1,000 students benefited from that scholarship, and it's a continual scholarship. No, there's not in one time, because we sponsor you this year and next year you couldn't go to school. It will be a waste. So it's a sustainable program that this year the same category of people are going to enjoy the same scholarship till graduation. Solar light more than any still more than what the state government provided.
Okay.
Yes, to various communities. They need solar light, but solar light is not enough because you cannot power your home appliances.
Okay.
You understand? You cannot power your home appliances, and so if you are doing this industrial sewing machine and so on, no solar can power. So with the lights, it provides skill acquisition program to tailoring, welding, and so on and so on. But solar will not. Solar is just starting to light the streets.
Okay.
So that's why we invest so much on the transformer. This year's budget we are going to, in fact, we have already mandated our coordinator there to liaise with the community and give us exactly the project they need, and they included that very low road you're talking about. So definitely put it into science.
Okay.
Yes, engineer, medical, what do you call it, agriculture. Yeah. Our focus and our measures is at least it will be 2.8 or 3 probably for you to qualify. We don't want to go and carry somebody into Ghana with 1.1 or 2 GDP, sorry.
Okay, so distinguished.
Because we fell our pass already. We collected our boarding pass.
Okay.
Just ready to board.
Okay.
Yes.
Can you maybe finally give us a little assessment on the present administration of the present?
So much money to state governors, and in return, some of the state governors are just flying, traveling, instead of staying at home to build infrastructure, to build quality life for our people. You give them so much in billions. Everybody knows that. Even their APC chairman said it. That Tinubu is giving your governors billions. So we hold them responsible. So we're holding them responsible, and we hope by 2027 we'll have a new government.
Inshallah.